As an architect, planner, or metalworker, you will find yourself caught between devising creative ideas and cost and time pressure on a daily basis when carrying out projects for your customers. Jansen provides digital solutions and service to help you in the planning of doors, windows, sliding, and facades so that you can process orders digitally, quickly, and in a customer-oriented manner. Jansen offers you a source of inspiration for your project ideas on a variety of online platforms. When researching products, visit the platforms to discover the countless ways in which you can use Jansen systems. Access all of the product information you need and import this easily and flexibly into your planning software. Our intelligent beam models here also allow you to give free rein to your ideas. And you can use the interface to send your vision to the design engineer so that it can be fleshed out in detail. As a design engineer, you can carry out all the detailed design work professionally and easily, including the sectional drawings and processing work, and also carry out all of the calculations in our proprietary JANIsoft software. The option to integrate data into the projects allows you to identify and remedy risks and problems at an early stage, before sending a digital copy of the planned project to production.